see the derivation of the mathematical expression for pressure volume type of work. In order to derive the mathematical expression for pressure volume type of work, let us consider a certain amount of gas at constant pressure P is enclosed in a cylinder which is fitted with a piston which is rigid, movable and frictionless. Let the area of the piston be A, let the volume of the gas be V1 and the temperature of the gas be T. On expansion, the force exerted by the gas on the piston is equal to area of the piston multiplied by the pressure with which the gas pushes against the piston. Expansion, the gas exerts force on the piston. The force exerted by the gas on the piston will be equal to the product of area of the piston and the pressure with which the gas pushes itself in the upward direction against the piston. Pressure is equal in magnitude but opposite in direction with the external pressure which opposes the movement of the piston in the upward direction. This external pressure is due to the atmosphere and is represented as P external. Pressure is equal in magnitude to the external atmospheric pressure which opposes the movement of the piston. External atmospheric pressure is denoted by P external, hence this pressure will be having value minus P external. So, the force exerted by the gas on the piston can be mathematically written as force is F, it will be equal to minus P external into A. F is the force as I told you right now. P external is the external atmospheric pressure which opposes the movement of the piston and A is the area of the piston. Let us call this as equation number 1. Suppose during expansion the gas moves by a distance small d. During the movement of the piston, the work done by the gas is given as W is equal to force into displacement. Let us substitute for force in this equation. I will get W is equal to minus P external into A into D. Now A is the area of the piston and D is the distance by which the piston moves in the upward direction. The product area of the piston and the distance by which the piston moves is nothing but the change in volume. Therefore, I can write W is equal to minus P external into delta V, where delta V is the change in volume. Generally, we calculate change in volume as final volume minus initial volume. Initially, we have assumed that the initial volume is V1. Let the volume of the gas after expansion be V2, that is, the final volume is V2. Then change in volume will be V2 minus V1. Let us substitute for delta V in this expression. We get W is equal to minus P external into bracket V2 minus V1. So, W is equal to minus P external delta V or W is equal to minus P external into V2 minus V1 is the mathematical expression for pressure volume type of work. On expansion, the work is said to be done by the system. Means what? The system, that is the gas, will spend energy in pushing the piston up. Since the piston moves up, final volume will be found to be greater than initial volume. So, during expansion, final volume will be greater than initial volume. How do you calculate change in volume? Final volume minus initial volume. So V2 is greater than V1, so delta V will be positive and therefore work done will be negative, because P external can never be negative and delta V is positive, So this minus sign will remain, which will make work negative. But during compression, the piston is moved down. Who will push the piston in the downward direction? The atmosphere will push the piston in the downward direction. Means work is done by the surrounding, or we say work is done on the system. During compression, the final volume becomes less than initial volume because the piston moves down. So V2 will be less than V1. Delta V, which is V2 minus V1, will be negative in this case. When delta V is negative, the negative sign of delta V and this negative sign will ultimately become positive, and work done will be positive during compression. So the most important point which you should remember is that during expansion of the gas, work is done by the system on the surrounding, and during compression, work is done on the system by the surrounding. Since during expansion, work is done by the system, work will be negative because energy is spent by the system. During compression, since work is done on the system, energy of the system is going to increase, so work done will be positive. Thank you. Please like, comment and subscribe for the further videos.